Hello, my beautiful people. May I drop this stick? Come down small. Yes. Hello, my Naija people. I hope with all of us we are doing well. And by the grace of God, I believe everybody is doing well. I hope many of us don't see our sister also, Ekeme family, that is UK family. I hope all of us don't see UK family say he don't come out of apology of a video. For that, my video, when we see about saying she lay cause for children. Normal, I vex one, all mothers vex, and she come out to apologize to all mothers. And secondly, I say temper, nothing temper, no fit do. You see, now, she still come out, apologize. I will talk and say, beat my pikin for me, not reach belle. She talk with out of anger. I believe say many of us will understand. Then on her comment section, she can say, see, oh, my sister, my cousin, she don't release a video. Yes, my sister. For that, I just said, may I chook mouth for that one. You know, say when this thing they go on, all of us we say editorial make she quiet. Editorial not ever quiet. They not ever talk. Now this one be her first video when she do. For me, if you really, as you claim, say you come outside to apologize and to revoke all those calls back to the sender, no answer. Just ignore everything. Yes, where they stay together, quarrel must dey, because yesterday when they hear they talk, I verse. You understand? I verse. Not be say the verse now. I did emotion. You know, seeing your sister or maybe person they pass through suffer, I pass through pain. My sister, for me, I not fit taken. Yes, I can't say I don't feed people, or I can't say I don't feed people. I still say you say you defeat people. You understand? Not be that one want to retalk. Wait, I want to retalk. May we drop this matter? Yes, now be my second talk. I received some commenters. I beg. This one a family matter, and we can't react to wait till they break comments. If now one drop comments, whether na UK team you be, whether na editorial team you be, what is bad? Once you see say is bad, for peace to reign, criticize that and say is bad. You see why would they say Nigeria, our country, the politician, the leader, they know they do well. You see them because they don't feel they talk true to themselves. This small social media association, when we community, when we did so, Nigeria social media community, when we did so, many people now go see the truth. For now to stand for the truth, now go they beat around over the book because you be team of UK. You see a lady, I believe say now many of us when they drop comments, we all of us now lady. You see a lady drop a video with tears, whether she forge am. If person they forge tears, you go no. Yes, we hear me for they say, okay, when you come the edit, when you say you cry like that, why you not editor? But now when she take the emotion, she need to put her edit. When she call the editor, she don't already get herself. But now the video when she do, now how she take react, now the video she need to bring out. I never be content now they say, when you want bring out, come on, you not say this part, no be your hand take bring out. No, now I don't understand. Say a content creator, wait till you decide to bring comment, now you bring comment. And as she take feel, as it take do, as she take do the video, she need to put that emotion part. If you really look editorial, that part when she dey cry, if you look and deep, you know say that tears was genuine tears. You know, so wait till you pass through in this world, in this earth, or maybe wait till person do you. Sometimes when you go there in your silent place, you don't already forgive the person, but you can never forget. I do live stream about that. Anytime when your mind go back, you always shake your head. Tears go come out. You hear when editorial, she say, when she cry to God, you put me in my mother's womb to come this world. Why people they reject me? That word, you don't draw your liver. You still come to my comment section, sister, mommy, auntie, daddy. I love you as a child of God. You say whether they give editorial, why she take and waiting be sugar cane. House when you dey, house when you dey live. No be small pikin. Editorial will not be adult then. Or editorial will be teenage, if not teenage or adult. House when you dey, you want eat food. House what we call one. Mother not dey house. She says she dey pray. She dey do fasting. She dey pray. You know, I not talk about that one. Per se they pray. She dey do fasting. And she dey hungry. Wait, sugar cane have food. Sugar cane. Na food. She perceive editorial. You the commenter not be Ekeme. Ekeme do one out of anger and out of she don't know. That's how I'll take put her now. Because my own don't, you know, I vex. I para yesterday because seeing person cry, talking her story. Me, I get my story too. Everybody get her story. You understand? It's not good. Then you still come to my comment section. You are still asking. They give her. They give her. Ekeme don't come out apologize. I know no be that video Ekeme apologize to. Na video when she take insult children, now she apologize to. But let's leave that part. Ekeme when he knows you person, another person even see talk of my comment section say Ekeme talk and say she beat Editorial. If you will come out, you say you beat Editorial because out of anger that you're supposed to eat her and now still, it can never be still. For me, I not look like still. When I do that video yesterday, I say maybe you go come and say she's still her, you don't give her, now I make you beat her. No. Now they the same house. If they stay under your mom, please, my people, my commenters. I believe that our commenters we really can't trigger these things out. Let's drop this matter. And as her junior sister come out yesterday, I see her video. Wait till they call her the life of Casey. Because she don't say her sister, everybody can't be me, can't be you. Out of family, one must be person when you know they take nonsense, not they tolerate. If you see Jenny, if you see Editorial, if you see Casey, you're not saying that Casey be the bold for the family. Don't forget age. Casey no one see anything. They sit like that. Everybody can be cold water. If everybody in cold water, that family, they will use them. They do. In fact, sometimes it's good to get at least the fire one. When they say that, then the fire one will quench them. Now it be case when she do. No be as it. I'm not saying insult Ekeme. You can talk to your senior without insult. And wait till case really talk now. Say you don't forget that you be the real. I don't want the deep all those things come aside. May matter die down. Now you see they come out say make people they treat people well. Casey was talking to her. At the end, Editorial really said that this thing on my own. My dear sister come they fight for me. Okay, Mayor. I see that day when UK insulted Editorial children, I talk and say Editorial the boy as he did now. Nobody when they will hear say they insult her children go happy. This one and lesson to many of us when they feel say now this person. As far as you not see him for the person hand, you don't see the person with your two eyes. No, as I they bear Naija Daughter step family no be. So people say they use a step family fake so China, but as far as they no be in, we don't need to rush. I hope say as our sister UK family come out with apology with all the mothers, person, your pikin not job only your pikin. Now everybody pikin, including my own. If a person they swear for people children, people not they take them. I pray may God reduce this our temper out of anybody when you get temper. Because temper can cause you things. When you will sit down, you will regret. I believe say UK regret. She realized her mistake. Then she go wear white and white. Hey, white and white sis UK. Oh, Hey, you can't go wear white. Not be white and white for wear. I beg. To tell us say na anger na cause UK family when she say insult children. He said na my sister. She said na my nephew. Me una know. May we be very nephew be next. May we know. May we be very careful. Okay? May we be very careful. I hope may all the mothers may we drop our anger. Me, my sister, my beautiful sister UK. I drop me not even get anger for you. Okay? I beg. May peace reign. Editorial, as we don't cry your bitterness out. Please, let the matter die down. And you can use that word because it already talk and come out. You can use that. You get big platform. Use that encourage many girls, many ladies. As our auntie talked yesterday. Use that encourage many girls. Many of us get story to tell, but we just look at, But as far as you don't use bitterness, say come aside. As they do your vlog, sit down. Use your own. Take talk. No be say you they insult UK. No be say you just talk. I remember when I stay. What do you they do? Are you a house help? Are you you they hawk something or you they do phone this thing? Remember that is not. Just try encourage people because you get big platform. Okay, and I hope everything don't rest. Everything don't die down. Me I don't even know what to talk again because I'm just. All the commenters, we respect you now and we appreciate you now. Please, let's comment accordingly and let's comment if not me, they do the wrong. Tell me say not me the wrong. If now you be team UK, they do something when you not good. You see, we are 10 people for say no, you are bad. Only 2 of you now say yes, she do well. Then you In fact, UK will better pass you. You see, when editorial when they first talk about editorial, people clap hand for UK. Then editorial, people use K take beat am. Some few, like you, two of now I see from my comment section, one at the clap and follow UK. UK don't realize her mistake. Say, what did she do? You not good. But you still carry the matter, say, she do it well. Maybe not the clap her for bad thing. If I will beat him, anybody, that person do something, I will sit down for this my joko. I will blast the person. I will let her know, say, you do wrong. That's it's supposed to be. If you get fear of God, stand for the truth. If our country, Nigeria, those politicians, maybe PDP or APC leader do something, and an APC now be president or governor for the state, the discipline and the let us see our country go better. Those things will not carry enter social media. Yes, I talk to my Nigeria people. May will not carry enter. What is bad? Talk and say it's bad. How you go they come out where everybody mothers they cry yesterday for editorial, she take cry. You they say they give her. Sometimes maybe they be careful for wait may person not go through mouths. And that's because they follow that person. It's not good. Now, this one I get to talk, my beautiful people. I hope you don't watch UK. If you never watch UK editorial, may not try watch. Try treat people well because you don't know tomorrow. You don't know the day when you go break you tomorrow. Ask me again. Person stay with you today. You not deny that person destiny. Person sleep your house today. You not deny that person victory. Be careful. Be careful. A destiny can be a delay, but it can never be changed. Be very careful. I'll see you now in my next video. Do well to give me that thumbs up. Like. No, I beg. Oh, my comment. I see you now. Come out. Hey. No, they watch my normal video. Now, why don't they watch my normal video? I beg. I beg. No, they watch my normal video. At the back.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.